Welcome to our tutorial on how to choose a file to show on a folder icon in Windows 10. Customizing your folder icons can add a personal touch to your computer and make it easier to recognize specific folders. Today, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. To begin, right-click on the folder for which you want to choose a file to show on the folder icon. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. Step 2. In the Properties window, you will find several tabs. Click on the Customize tab to access the folder customization options. Step 3. Within the Customize tab, you will notice a section called Folder Pictures. Click on the Choose File button located in this section. Step 4. A file browser window will open, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Select the picture you want to use as the background for the folder icon. Step 5. After selecting the desired picture, press the OK button twice to apply the changes. Step 6. Finally, press OK once again to close the Properties dialog and save the changes. You have successfully chosen a file to show on your folder icon in Windows 10. By customizing your folder icons, you can make your computer more visually appealing and easily distinguish different folders at a glance. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other folder you want to customize, allowing you to create a unique and organized desktop experience. And there you have it. You now know how to choose a file to show on a folder icon in Windows 10. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in personalizing your computer and making your workflow more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.